Galing ulit ako sa labas. Oh my God, thank you so much. This is super unexpected. Siyempre, yung mga nominated sobrang gagaling. And then, na-idolize ko rin sila. Di ko alam naman nanalo ako dito sa first ever Filipino Music Awards. And shout out to Justin. Justin, nasan ka? And, alright, so thank you so much to God, to my family, my friends, to my label, Sony Music Philippines, to my management, to Eleven's Entertainment, also to my producer, Brian Loco, and syempre kay Justin, kung nasan ka man ngayon. Hindi matutuloy yung kantang ito kung hindi dahil din sa kanya, kaya maraming salamat. Para to sa lahat ng mga regional artists katulad ko, mga Bicolano artists, na hindi nabibigyan minsan ng plataforma, pero ngayon, thank you so much sa award na ito. Diyos mabalo sa Induga, boss. Padaba ko ka mo.
You're still tuned in to the Filipino Music Awards. Congratulations to Wada and Justin for winning Folk Song of the Year. And now we move on to another anticipated award this evening, the Hip Hop Song of the Year, to be presented by no other than a true Filipino hip hop icon, Glock 9.
It is truly an honor to stand before you tonight in the presence of people who continue to push Filipino music forward. Hip-hop has come a long way in the Philippines. What started on the streets has grown into a nationwide movement, giving a voice to stories that need to be heard. Tonight, we honor the spirit, the lyricism, the beats, and the rhythm and flow that drives this place for Hip-Hop Song of the Year.
The FMA's Hip-Hop Song of the Year nominees are My Day, Hail Mary, Hubad na Syudad, Moro Beats, Gusto Ko Sa'kin Ka Lang, Robredo Temido, Man in the Mirror, Wyatt,